Frosty na Shachtlana 81. Play and pause this video as you move down the page. Try get out of your seat, do the actions and make it a drama. By Friday you should be able to look at each question and answer it without looking at the answer. Ca nach gahan compordach. Diagwit. Diasmeragwit. Cada cahan tu sagira. Caham quota hata agus scarf sagira. Cada cahan tu sasaura. Caham brishti garad agus tilena sasaura. On will ein rud nach gahan tu. Ni caham carvat. On will ein rud a gut nach will compordach. Neil. Cain sort Éadaí is farlat. Is farlum Éadaí saura. Hello. Hello. What do you wear in the winter? I wear a coat, a hat and a scarf in the winter. What do you wear in the summer? I wear shorts and a t-shirt in the summer. Have you anything you do not wear? I do not wear a tie. Have you anything that is not comfortable? Tá, I have. Neil, I don't have. What is your favorite type of clothes? I prefer summer clothes. When asked the question with cada cahan tu, you take the verb and you change it to caham, I wear. The sa creates the H in gira. Cada cahan tu becomes caham, I wear. That's present tense, something you do every day. Nach gotten tu, that you don't wear, the nach is a negative. And ni caham, I don't wear, creates the H. Again, all present tense. And with ein rud a gut, have you anything? Have you is why we use a gut. And you change lat to lum in the answer. What do you prefer? What sort of clothes?